Hi, everybody. I have something exciting to demo today. Usually I demo everything within Docket. There's a change now. This time I'm going to demo our latest MCP that we pushed. We already had an MCP. This is a more advanced version, and this is the demand specific MCP. So one of the things that our customers do is Docket captures all the right top of the funnel conversations. So there's a lot of high intent conversations with a lot of really good information in there that they want to kind of take out of Docket and then do further things with it, right? So we have released an MCP and you can use it with anything. I use Claude. So let's just start there. Is Docket Demand MCP. Let's go for Fable because that's generally good. So let me do that. I may have to cut some of these video so that, I don't keep showing you like 1 minute of the time that Fable takes. There you go. Let me verify it actually responds. So I've already connected, as you can imagine, Docket's MCP here. There you go. It came back. So I'm going to start asking it some questions. All right. The data came back. Of course, this is demo data. Looks like it just uploaded. Okay, as you can see, it's a demo workspace, but you're seeing the depth of information, right? The conversion funnel, the daily rhythm, the why conversion loops broken. It's all going from Docket's fundamental raw data, and then basically Claude is doing an insight on top of that. This is what our customers want. This is, it's pretty good analytics data, right? So let's go deeper, dig into the conversation. What are the repeated pain points that my visitors share to the agent? This is important because, you obviously want to get what are the main problems that the customers have been trying to solve. It's a thing that our customers want to see. So let's see what comes back for that. All right, as you can see, it is using Docket Demand MCP and getting the interactions. Calling memory. All right, it has come back. I should have limited the time to like a month or something. So there is, 1,400 conversations, and it is going and giving website traffic isn't converting, qualification routing, legacy chatbot, bad fit meetings. So these are the problems that the customers are talking about, which makes sense. And there's a weekly dashboard also that Claude has set up, is pretty good. So we looked at the analytics data first, and from the analytics data, we kind of came down to more like a summary of the conversations. Now let's go one step further, right? Let's see if I want to kind of understand about specific customer. I can also say, okay, give me the set of all the accounts that have shown this particular problem statement so that I can target them, right? So I can reach out on outbound ads, whatnot, right? So I can also start taking the accounts. Docket has got account identification built into the product. So about 65% of the cases, we know which companies are visiting and having the conversation, whether they give you their email or not. But from here, let's go specifically on one company and as detailed. So we went from analytics to like a summary of conversation. And now we are going one step down and specifically asking about one account, one set of conversations, and how it is behaving. Looks like it's trying from HubSpot as well. Let me specifically say from Docket Demand. I have multiple MCP, so you can just say Docket, but since I have multiple custom MCPs, I'm specifically saying Docket's Demand MCP. Let's see what that brings back. I had to cut off a little bit of this video because, it was pulling in some of the personal information of the person and some things from my HubSpot, so I didn't want any of that. So it's kind of going straight to that accounts conversation, multiple conversations across multiple days, multiple people. It's kind of tying all those things together and giving you the full information here, right? The details of the conversation. So as you can see, all of the data that is within Docket, which could be the analytics of how the agent is performing on your website. It could be the individual conversations about accounts. It could be a summarized version of give me all the problems that these accounts are having, or tell me all the accounts that showed this particular pain point. So all of that data that was tied within Docket is now available on MCP. You can connect it, use it as much as you want. Hopefully you like it. Let me know any feedback.